Good day everyone. Magandang buhay. Ayan. Andito ako guys sa sa Pilot Butte. Ayan, nag-catering ako sa grand opening ng G5 Trucking Company. Ayan, ating kaibigan dyan. Congratulations G5 Trucking Company. Ayan, dito yan sa Pilot Butte. Ayan, kaya nag-cater tayo. Ayan, thank you so much sa walang sawang suporta.
Congratulations, Ate President and Kuya Peter Chipes. Please give a round of applause to Kuya Peter and Ate President. In the count of 3, you can cut the ribbon. And 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Until Kuya Peter decided to establish his own business from the scratch. Since Kuya Peter is more on operational in mechanics with the help of Ate Presi, her expertise in accounting, managing operational sales, and dealing customers, be able to custom the cheapest truck and trailer services. Their mindset and expertise bind together as business partner and also a lifetime partner. Even though we can say in every business there is up and down, which is I witness how their efforts, teamwork and hard work put organized to stay up strong and maintain the integrity of their business. Now, I can see that your dedication towards this business, I can truly certify that
Wala na yung ibang mga mekaniko dapat kahit paano.
dream come true to both of you.
Kakaunti.
Such an amazing and fulfilling seeing these two individuals rises up in this field of business. Imagine from one small